Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install Oracle WebLogic-Server 12.2.1.1 on Oracle Linux. So far I did install Oracle Linux 7 on my VMware, downloaded WebLogic-Server. Now I need to copy the WebLogic-Server into the Oracle Linux. Then download JDK 8 update 77. So currently I'm going to do that. Start download. So okay, and then copied the WebLogic server software to Linux machine. It's done. Now I need to copy the JDK. Copied the JDK also to remote machine. So first let me download. Okay, looks we completed the JDK download also. Now go to the WinSCP and then yes, the JDK we downloaded here. Copy the JDK also to remote folder. Okay. Now what is next? Quickly let us create a user in Oracle. Okay, so and a group also. So take these things for in Linux for group creation we should use the command group add. So as a root we have to do this. So just paste this command here. Okay, let's type it. Group add -g -g 54321 54321 Oracle install. That is the group name we want to create. Once you created the group here, user add minus u 54321. Username should be Oracle minus it should be assigned to group o install and the username should be Oracle. Once you created the user, now set the password for Oracle user. Password simply I am putting Oracle. Okay, password also Oracle now. So that's how we created a user. Similarly we will just grab our IP config. So which is my IP is, what is the IP here? 113.128. Now go to etc host 113.128. So just go and add a entry for that with the domain name. So 192.168.113.120.128. Okay, and now say this as let's say WebLogic local domain or WebLogic, both should resolve to this IP. So remember these settings so that you should call your admin server or manage servers, from browser you need this. Save this changes, just double check. So now we did the OS stuff. So let's quickly So let's quickly give us uh, Oracle user that access for the software folder. So for that, chmod -r 755 to software folder, ch1 -r Oracle and o install to software folder. Okay, now what we will do, let's log out. Okay, let's log out from the root user and log in as a Oracle user, switch user. Why? Because we should first install the JDK. For that purpose we are doing this. So login as Oracle user. So now you logged in as Oracle user. Now go to Oracle home. Go to the Oracle home. So home Oracle. Okay. Now in home Oracle, extract your JDK here. Okay. Now quickly create a directory here. Make directory u01 r. Okay, I switch it back to the root user again because we should create few more directories. The first directory is make directory u01 app Oracle. Okay. Okay. So once we created Oracle directory, now give him the permissions. ch1 -r 755 to u01 app Oracle chmod -r 755 -r Oracle and o install for the same directory. That's alright. What happened? Oracle o install sorry. So chmod -r 755 to command will is vice versa. u01 app Oracle and ch1 -r Oracle o install to u01 app. Simply you create these, you give the permissions also. Now before you switch to Oracle user, we have to create few more directories here. So let's do that. So So these are the few more directories we should create. So go and grab this one also, the domains directory. Okay, no problem. We'll create the directory. Make directory -p, and we are going to create a config domains. So go to your u01 app oracle config domains. Similarly, use the up arrow and instead of domains create applications. So what else we have to create? We have to again set the permissions for entire u01. So for that we will use the above commands again. So here just remove and enter. You just chmod also same stuff. So for enter u01 we have given the ownership for our user. Now quickly add all these attributes to Oracle dash profile. So how to do that? Just copy all this stuff and go to, so you are as a root now. Go to home Oracle, then open dash profile, which is a hidden file. So you just open this command with this command and then append these entries at the end. Okay. I think here paste is a problem, so we have to type all this stuff. I don't know. Let me try one more time. Okay. Okay. Some problem. So I have to, let's try one more time. Oh man, typing all this is a big headache. So anyway, let's type it. Export Oracle base. Okay, Oracle base is nothing but u01 app Oracle. Okay, export Oracle home, which is Oracle base product from 12.1.2. Sorry, in our case it's 12.2.1.1. Okay, so we did this, and then next entry is export middleware home. Also middleware home is always equivalent to Oracle home. Then export WLS home. So WLS home is nothing but middleware home. Okay, and then WebLogic-Server /WL server, and then export WL home. So WL home software uses WL home, but WL home is nothing but WLS home only. Okay, now export domain base. Domain base is equal to is nothing but Oracle base, and then Oracle base config domains. Similarly, we can guess what is the next entry for applications. Sorry, for domain home equal to Oracle domain base, let's say domain base forward slash my domain. Why we are giving my domain here is because that is the name we are going to give for our domain. So the last thing is export Java home. Java home is nothing but U01 app Oracle okay JDK underscore 1.8.0 underscore 77. Last entry is export path equal to dollar Java home forward slash bin path. Now save this. And now it's time for us to install JDK. So to install JDK, maximize the screen and then switch to user. Okay, switch to Oracle user. Now go to your Oracle home. So where are we currently? We are not there. So let's go there. U01 app Oracle. And then here issue this command tar minus xzvf software so and so that JDK. Okay, now what happens, because we already set the environment variable, so when we type Java version, it should show this 18077 version. Once that is done, we are good to start the WebLogic installation. Perfect. I think it's not yet showing, so quickly what we will resolve this. So Java is still showing this. Okay, no problem, let it. So we can call the Java home and then start the installation. So no worries. So let's start the installation. For starting installation, call Java home /bin /Java. Okay, and then jar. And then where is this jar? Software fusion middleware, right? Fusion middleware. What happened? Oh, I'm sorry. So we need to first extract that jar file. So unzip software, this one unzip first. Unzip first and then okay, it was unzipped. Now use the command, installation command. Okay, and which file we have to call is, now we don't need to call zip file, we should call this file. Paste this. Or you can call it file version 12.0 underscore WLS, okay, dot jar 12.2.1.1.0 underscore WS dot jar. What happened? Okay, I think again this is permissions issue. Let's see. It's a permissions issue. No, permissions are good. So let's try one more time the same command. Yes. Okay, I got the problem. So again, let's go to Oracle user. Okay, we are with Oracle user. Go to U01 Oracle folder. Okay, U01 Oracle ls. What is this? Okay, whatever. So ls command also not working here. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with this. Okay, I don't think so. So let's call Java home now. Okay, Java home bin Java jar U01 app. Okay, U01 app Oracle we don't need, we are already there. Okay, so there is a, so I think we fixed the JDK issue now. So let's install the file now. Jar U01 app Oracle. And remember guys, if you, for GUI to work, you should log in as Oracle user in Linux. You should not log in as a root user. Okay, now say S and failed. You will see like this, failed. So you have to fix this actually, otherwise GUI won't come. Anyway, let's try because I want to show you how to fix also. Yeah, it's failed, right? So let's fix this issue. Why it is failed? The reason is, just call now, I think xhost plus xclock okay. So when you get that error, you have to log in as a root and then xhost plus, and then access control is disabled now. So now the access control is disabled, right? So freshly take another terminal now. So now you are logged in as a Oracle user. Okay, so now you have to call the installer Java home bin Java jar U01 Oracle. So now if there is a JDK Java home problem, you can go to particular Java bin folder, and also you can try like this. You can call the installer. So now we are using JDK 1.8.0. Okay, so now guys, initially it will ask for you a inventory directory. So better always keep in home directory folder, operating system group, the group we created just now. Go install and save OK. Okay, now the wizard pop-ups with installation options. So I will walk through the installation options. Listen carefully, understand. So auto updates skip is the best option. And similarly, what is the your Oracle home? So we have already assigned the Oracle home, and but here it is showing a different Oracle home. So what we assigned, we will put it the same here. So the Oracle home we assigned is product OFM 12.1.2. So now if we don't do that, if we don't put the same number, it will overwrite, the installer will overwrite. So what I will do now, take all this and copy it, or okay, let it overwrite, keep that and go next. So simply select WebLogic-Server and then let this test pass. Java version should be correct and the operating system certification should be correct. Yes, both are correct. So now click next. Okay, now just remove this support option and it will give this warning, say yes. Okay, now here is the thing. So it is going to install now, and this is our home directory. Okay guys, this is our home directory, but what we set up the Oracle home is U01 app Oracle product blah blah blah. This is what we set up in the environment variables. So if we don't want flashes in the environment variables, all we have to do is just type here U01 app Oracle product Fusion middleware 12.2.1.1. Right? Fusion middleware 12.2.1.1. We can have a browse option also here. That's better. So root U01 app Oracle, right? Oracle, and then product. Okay, so just open another terminal, okay, and see the bash profile for complete details what we set earlier. Home Oracle so what we set is 12.2.1.1 product OFM. So Oracle Fusion middleware. Oracle Fusion middleware. Next. So now we change the path. Let test again. Next. Click yes here. Now where 100% confident. Click install. Hi guys, that's all. The installation is finished. Uh, installation is finished. Watch my next video for WebLogic domain creation.